There you go. Trucks parking right there. Like that. Where there ain't no stripe, no parking lot. They just park right there. Call hauler. Truck. Here's his truck number. License plate number. I don't care what their company's gonna see. Put this on YouTube so they can go ahead and get caught and all that. Here's another one. A dump truck. Don't know how to park. Ain't got no respect for the parking lot when they got parking spots in the back. Here's another B&B Trucking out of Diamond, Alabama. Truck 01, Eagle International. Here's the license plate, you know. There they go, parking right there. No parking spot. Don't know how to park. It's the road right here. He's parked right over the road. Right here. Somebody come out here and rip his hood off. He don't care. Go show the company what this is. You know? Right here. There's his license plate. All that parked out on the damn road. MC numbers, everything. Parked out here. Look, there's a traffic deal. No parking spot. Just didn't care. They have parking spots all in the back, but they can't park in the back. They got to park where the road is. All these people.